Alrighty guys, so apparently the Cboys are trying to get their new Highlander cow Bobby voted in as mayor of Cormorant, Minnesota, and they're asking people to come out in person and vote for this cow. So that's exactly what we're gonna go do today. And in case you don't know who the Cboys are, they're a group of friends who grew up in Cormorant, Minnesota, and started a YouTube channel in 2016. Over the past 10 years, they have turned their hobbies into a career, now surpassing 5 million subscribers. And while I don't agree with everything they say and do, there's no denying that they make some dang entertaining videos that I've been watching for about 8 years now. They are well known for their funny friend group dynamic, motorsports content including almost any machine you can think of, their crazy custom builds, and now farm animals? I guess we'll find out about that today. I have 3 goals today. Number 1, vote for Bobby. Number 2, meet the Cboys if I can. I don't know how long they're going to be there, but it would be cool to meet them. And number 3, visit the Cormorant store. I've been watching the Cboys for years now, and I've seen that store in countless videos, so I think it would be cool to see it in person. So those are the 3 goals. Let's see if we can go do them. I just saw a sign for a shuttle service for Cormorant Days. I'm wondering if this is going to be a lot bigger than I was anticipating. Okay, yep. There's a lot of cars parked on the side of the road here. According to my map, I've still got 0.4 miles to go, and look at how far the cars are lined up. Way down there. I'm just going to park right here and start walking, I think. As soon as I got there, I could tell that this was definitely a bigger event than I had anticipated. There were cars everywhere, people everywhere, and right away I noticed the Cboys Sprinter van that they always run around in, which meant that goal number 2 was looking good. And sure enough, as I walk around to the front of the community center, the Cboys are all standing around just hanging out with the cow Bobby, the legend himself. Look at him. And I also saw the voting booth, so time to vote. So guys, having voted for Bobby now, I just kind of hung around where the Cboys were hanging out with Bobby, and they were just recording and kind of doing their thing, filming for their video, and it was just cool to be able to see that, just kind of see them do their thing and like film in person. Jen's live, there he is. Jen's live streaming. Oh, wait, you're live streaming? It's okay, you can live stream. No, you're good. Yo! Say what up, Jen. Thought it was me. You're on the guy. What's up, everybody? How we doing? Okay, can we just take a second to admire Mike's outfit? I mean, come on. That's a sweet hot dog outfit. Back from Montana. How's everyone doing? Hope for Bobby. Is there actually 120,000? Yeah, Jen's popping right now. We're gonna need a rag. He gets a little slobbery after doing the whole bottle. Let's hear it. Chug, 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 chug. Bobby's gonna be great in college. For the sake of the storyline, you gotta get that. For the sake of the storyline, you're on video. It's that bad, guy. You're carrying around a bucket of shovel. It's not that bad. Go take care of your cow. After that, I got a free pin from Micah. Oh, thanks. I got to meet Ken, shook his hand, got a picture with him. So with the first 2 goals checked off the list, I started walking to the Cormorant store. Alright guys, I've been here for a while now. It's been pretty fun. I voted for Bobby. I actually got to meet the Cboys. talked to Ken and Mike and said hi to Evan. It's been very successful. I completed all 3 of my goals so far, and so all there is left to do now is to wait until 1 o'clock, which is in a couple minutes, to see if Bobby gets elected as mayor of Cormorant. So that's where I'm headed over right now, where everyone is gathered to see if he gets elected. Let's do this.
Bobby, 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 Bobby.
Congrats on a successful campaign, buddy. You got out there, you licked babies, you shook hooves, and honestly, nobody deserves this more than you. Nobody deserves this more than you. And best of all, you did what Big Ten couldn't. Oh, you're such a legend, dude. You don't even know how much of a legend you are. 1, 2, 3. I think Cormorant's finally getting back on the right track. Things got. Bobby told me that he'd like me to let you all know, thank you for everyone coming out. He'd like to say thank you to all his competitors. It was a hard, long-fought battle, and you know, they just weren't quite good enough. But anyways, he also wanted to say, you know, this wouldn't have been possible without Mayor Duke, the legendary Mayor Duke. So rest in peace to Bobby. So rest in peace to Mayor Duke. And on top of that, as he promised, unlike most politicians, Bobby's never told a lie. So he's gonna come through on his promise, and there's free ice cream for everyone right there.
All right, guys, well, that was Cormorant Days 2026. Bobby won. He's mayor of Cormorant, Minnesota now. That was a blast. I got a free hat. I got some free ice cream thanks to Bobby, the new mayor. It was super cool. I got to meet some of the Cboys and kind of see, you know, what it's like of them filming a video in person. That was super fun. Yeah, I'd say today was definitely a success and it was a lot of fun. So